In this video, I will show you how to make your TikTok account private. First of all, after you open up your TikTok, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. So now all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. Now go to settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, now go to this privacy. As you can see now, the second option, privacy. Under this privacy, as you can see now, here it says private account. So now all you have to do now, turn this option on. As you can see now, with a private account, only user you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So as you can see now, by making my account private now, no one can be able now to see my videos. No one can be able now to follow me unless I approve his following option. As you can see now, if the person follow you, the message will be sent for you. If you approve, as you can see now, if you come to this section, you can get a message that someone follow you. So if you approve the message, now the person can be able now to see your account and can be able to see everything about your account. As you can see here, it says private account. My account now is private. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.